IML Resi Power Drill. If you work with trees or wooden utility poles, you know how important it is to understand the condition of the wood inside. The IML Resi Power Drill makes that job easy and precise. This high-tech tool can drill to depths ranging from 20 to 100 centimeters, gathering valuable data on the inner health of the wood. It's especially useful for arborists and powerline maintenance workers who need to assess whether a tree or pole is safe and sturdy. The power drill also supports different add-on modules. One such module, called the Wood Inspector, measures the curvature of poles, helping identify weak spots. You can even attach a Bluetooth printer to instantly print reports for your clients right on site, making your work more professional and efficient. However, all these advanced features come with a price tag, and this tool is certainly an investment. Still, for professionals who need precise, reliable data to keep trees healthy and poles standing strong, the IML Resi Power Drill is a smart choice. It combines deep insights, easy reporting, and top-notch quality all in one powerful package. Upcart Hero. Moving heavy or bulky items can be exhausting, but the Upcart Hero is here to make your life much easier. This versatile folding cart can help you transport everything from laundry baskets and groceries to boxes and even furniture. With a maximum weight capacity of 64 kilograms, it can handle most everyday loads with ease. One of the best things about the Upcart Hero is its simple, ready-to-use design. There's no assembly required, just unfold it and start hauling. When you're done, it folds flat, making it easy to store in a closet, garage, or even the trunk of your car. The makers are so confident in its durability that they offer a lifetime warranty, which is rare in this category and gives you peace of mind that it's built to last. Priced at around $70, it's a small investment that delivers big convenience, saving you time and effort whether you're at home, at work, or on the move. If you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free helper for heavy lifting, the Upcart Hero is truly a hero in its own right. Jessim Pocket Mill Pro. The Jessim Pocket Mill Pro is a game-changer for anyone who loves woodworking, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. At first glance, it might look like a simple tool, but it's actually a brilliantly engineered system designed to help you create perfect grooves, also known as mortises, with incredible accuracy. This tool works alongside a regular drill and uses a patented mechanism that automatically lowers the cutting depth by 1.2 millimeters with each pass. This feature makes it much easier to achieve flawless, repeatable cuts, ensuring your joints are strong and perfectly aligned. Because of this automatic depth control, beginners can produce professional-level results without years of experience, while expert woodworkers can speed up their workflow and enjoy greater consistency. The only downside? It comes with a price tag of around $250. But for many woodworkers, that's a worthwhile investment considering the time it saves and the quality it delivers. The Jessim Pocket Mill Pro isn't just another woodworking gadget, it's a thoughtfully designed tool that brings both precision and confidence to your craft, helping you take your woodworking projects to the next level. Ask ChatGPT. Corgi Clamp-on Tire Tool. Proper wheel alignment and tire balancing are essential for safe driving and reducing tire wear. Corgi, a respected name in automotive workshop equipment, has introduced the clamp-on tire tool to make these tasks easier and more precise for mechanics. The tool features a smart synchronized locking mechanism, which keeps the pins perfectly centered on the wheel. This design ensures a secure and accurate hold every time, reducing the chances of mistakes that can lead to uneven wear or handling issues. In addition, the jaws include integrated rollers, making installation smooth and effortless. Mechanics can adjust or diagnose tires quickly and efficiently without fighting with awkward or heavy equipment. By making wheel servicing simpler and more reliable, the Corgi Clamp-on Tire tool helps workshops deliver better results while saving time. It's a great example of how smart design can improve everyday tasks and keep drivers safer on the road. Whether you're a professional mechanic or just love working on cars, this tool is a must-have addition to your workshop. Hilty Neuron NRC 6-22 Cordless Rebar Cutter. Cutting through rebar can be tough work, but the Hilty Neuron NRC 6-22 Cordless Rebar Cutter makes it fast, clean, and efficient. This powerful tool can deliver up to 122 cuts on a single charge, saving you time and keeping your workflow uninterrupted. It can handle diameters up to 25 mm with a smooth, burr-free finish, making it ideal for construction sites and heavy-duty projects. The special carbide-tipped blades are designed to minimize sparks, increasing safety when working in sensitive environments. Comfort and control are also top priorities. The cutter features a 3-position side handle, giving you flexibility and reducing strain during long tasks. It's part of the Neuron battery platform, which is known for its extended lifespan and better performance compared to many 18 or 20-volt alternatives. At around $730, this cutter is an investment, but one that pays off in speed, reliability, and reduced fatigue. For construction professionals who need a durable, cordless solution for cutting rebar, the Hilty Neuron NRC 6-22 is an impressive choice that won't let you down. BOA Pan 361 Chainsaw. Closing out our list today is a true classic, the BOA Pan 361 Chainsaw. First introduced in the 1960s, this powerful machine quickly became a favorite among professionals and serious woodworkers, and it's easy to see why. Equipped with a robust 59cc engine, the Pan 361 delivers impressive cutting power that makes tackling tough wood jobs feel almost effortless. It features guide bars designed for a 9.5 mm chain pitch, allowing for precise, non-standard cuts at unique angles, something many modern chainsaws still struggle with today. This makes it especially useful for complex jobs, such as cutting logs directly on the ground or shaping large pieces of timber with precision. That speaks volumes about the build quality and thoughtful engineering that went into it. The BOA Pan 361 isn't just a tool, it's a piece of woodworking history that embodies durability and reliability. Whether you're a collector, a professional, or just someone who loves working with wood, this chainsaw stands as a testament to timeless craftsmanship and solid performance that truly stands the test of time. Detector Watch. At first glance, the Detector Watch might look like something straight out of a spy movie or an action thriller. This unique gadget looks like a futuristic detonator but is actually a smartwatch with some surprising hacker-style features. After selecting a network, the watch can deauthenticate connected devices, essentially kicking them off the Wi-Fi and even creating fake, evil twin networks to trick devices into connecting elsewhere. It's important to understand that while this tool is intended for educational purposes and security testing, these functions can be easily misused. Ethical hackers and tech enthusiasts use it to understand how networks can be vulnerable and how to improve their security. The watch can also be controlled remotely from a computer without ever taking it off your wrist or pulling it from your pocket. At just $50, it's an affordable way for those interested in cybersecurity to learn about Wi-Fi vulnerabilities in a hands-on, practical way. So, if you're a tech lover, hobbyist hacker, or just curious about how wireless networks work, the Detector Watch offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of cybersecurity, all in a wearable package. GSM Jammer. In today's hyper-connected world, sometimes you just want, or need, to cut the noise. That's where a GSM Jammer comes in. This clever device can block a variety of signals, including GSM, GPS, 3G, and even Wi-Fi, making it useful in settings where silence or focus is essential. For example, a concert hall might use a jammer to prevent disruptive phone calls during a performance. Schools could use them during exams to discourage cheating, and conference venues might deploy them to keep meetings private and undisturbed. The way it works is simple yet effective. The jammer emits white noise, a kind of electronic fog that confuses devices and blocks them from receiving or sending signals. Versions designed for civilian use are widely available online, with some models from Chinese suppliers selling for as little as $30. Interestingly, these devices can even be built at home by tech-savvy individuals, though ready-made versions are often more reliable and easier to use. It's important to note that using a jammer is heavily regulated, and even illegal, in many places, so always check local laws before buying or using one. Whether for privacy, focus, or security, GSM jammers offer a powerful way to control the airwaves around you. Just remember to use them responsibly. Emergency strobe lights. Imagine driving through heavy fog, a rainstorm, or a dark night. It's critical that your vehicle is visible to everyone around you. Emergency strobe lights are the perfect solution for making sure you stand out and stay safe on the road. Inspired by the same red and blue lights used by police and emergency services, these strobe lights make your car instantly recognizable in any condition. Most strobe light models are super easy to install and operate, often powered through your car's cigarette lighter socket. You can find versions with as few as 4 diodes for around $30, but there are more advanced options too, offering up to 26 different lighting modes. These extra modes allow you to choose the best pattern for your specific needs, whether that's a rapid flash to warn others of danger or a steady blink for increased visibility in poor weather. Interestingly, some sellers even market them with fun and unique messages. One promises a family atmosphere of warmth and romance, while another focuses on all-weather safety for drivers and pedestrians. Besides personal use, these lights are also popular with municipal services and roadside assistance vehicles. They are a simple yet highly effective upgrade that could help prevent accidents and improve safety when visibility is low. For such an affordable price, emergency strobe lights offer peace of mind and an added layer of protection that every driver deserves. MultiPick Kronos. Ever been locked out of your house or struggled with a jammed lock when you're in a rush? The MultiPick Kronos offers a professional-level solution to these frustrating moments. This is not your average lockpicking tool. It's the most successful electric lockpick made by MultiPick. The Kronos comes equipped with a powerful 2,900 mAh battery, providing up to 2 hours of continuous use on a single charge. It's impressively lightweight too, weighing just 12.3 ounces, about 350 grams, so it easily fits in your pocket or tool bag, ready to help whenever you need it. This tool isn't just for quick emergency fixes. It's designed as a professional instrument for locksmiths and trained enthusiasts. The manufacturer emphasizes that real lock-picking skill comes with practice, and that's why they include additional needles to help you master the technique. They even mention that picking cheap plastic locks isn't really the point. This tool is meant for serious, skilled work. At around $270, the Kronos is definitely an investment, but if you value quality and reliability, and want to feel like a true professional, it's worth every penny. Whether you're a locksmith or someone who wants a high-quality emergency tool, the MultiPick Kronos stands out for its precision, durability, and ease of use. Astra Mini Lift. If you want a car lift but don't have much space, the Astra Mini Lift could be your perfect solution. This lift can raise your vehicle to working height in just 13 seconds, which is impressively fast. For rear axle lifts, it reaches up to 1.6 meters, for the front axle, up to 1.4 meters, and if lifting both axles together, it goes up to 75 centimeters. That range of heights covers most needs for mechanical work, tire changes, painting, and other detailed tasks. It has a robust carrying capacity, supporting 2,500 kilograms when lifting both axles and up to 4,500 kilograms when lifting one axle. This makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from small cars to heavier trucks and SUVs. The Astra Mini Lift is especially useful for jobs like brake disc skimming, shock absorber replacement, and bodywork repairs. It combines speed, power, and convenience in one ultra-compact design. If you want to make your garage more efficient without installing a bulky, permanent lift, the Astra Mini Lift offers a reliable and practical alternative. It brings professional workshop-level lifting power right to your own space, helping you tackle more jobs with less hassle. Ask ChatGPT. Aussie Rimshine Outback 200. Shiny, spotless rims can make any car look like it just rolled out of a showroom, but getting that mirror-like finish can be a huge chore if done by hand. That's where the Aussie Rimshine Outback 200 steps in to save the day. This professional polishing tool simplifies the entire rim restoration process. You no longer have to spend hours scrubbing away or risk scratching your wheels with the wrong materials. The Outback 200 uses a special soft attachment, often made of felt, to gently but effectively polish metal surfaces. Even at high rotational speeds, it remains delicate enough not to scratch or damage the rims. In fact, what might take you hours to do manually can now be achieved in less than a minute with this tool. This means more time driving and showing off your sparkling wheels and less time sweating it out in the garage. The Outback 200 is designed to be both user-friendly and professional grade, making it suitable for car enthusiasts and detailing shops alike. With this tool in your arsenal, your rims will always be show-ready, turning heads wherever you go. AGM Electric Jack. The AGM Electric Jack is a true breakthrough for anyone tired of the effort and risk involved with traditional car jacks. Regular mechanical jacks require lots of muscle and can feel unstable, pneumatic jacks often can't handle heavy loads, and screw jacks are limited in flexibility. The AGM Electric Jack changes everything with its push-button simplicity. Imagine lifting your car safely and effortlessly. That's exactly what this jack offers. You simply press a button, and the jack does the heavy lifting for you. The adjustable lifting height ranges from 35 to 43 centimeters, giving you the freedom to handle different vehicles with ease. Thanks to its strong design, it can lift up to 910 kilograms, making it suitable for most passenger cars and even off-road vehicles. While it does come at a higher price of around $1,289, it's a worthy investment for those who value safety, convenience, and cutting-edge technology in their garage. Whether you're a professional mechanic or someone who loves working on their own vehicle, the AGM Electric Jack is a smart, modern solution that makes car maintenance smoother and safer. Vaver Pipe Blockage Detector Locator. Clogged pipes are a common headache, but finding the exact spot where the blockage is hiding can be a real challenge. The Vaver Pipe Blockage Detector Locator makes this tough job surprisingly simple and efficient. Here's how it works. You feed a 30-meter cable with a special beacon attached into the pipe. Once the cable hits the blockage, you use the handheld scanner to precisely locate it from above ground. This clever system allows plumbers and maintenance workers to know exactly where to dig or open the pipe, saving time, effort, and avoiding unnecessary damage. The kit comes with 8 spare beacons, so you're always ready for different situations. It can detect blockages up to 40 centimeters deep in plastic pipes and 15 centimeters deep in metal ones. Impressive for such a compact tool. And at around $60, it's a budget-friendly option that offers professional-level precision. For homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, or professionals alike, the Vaver detector is a practical, cost-effective way to tackle pipe problems without the guesswork.